Welcome back to our channel. Thanks for your comments. Some friends want to talk about SL, Math, A&A also, so I will talk about that. Okay, some of them overlap with HR, which I put it at the end. For question number 1, Math A&A, paper 1. Okay, first one is basic question. Write down F4. So F is here, the 4 is 1. Okay. So F4, so it means that you find out F4 first and the F4 is 1, so find F1. So when X is 1, you can see Y is 3, so it is 3, okay? Last one, inverse of 3, so Y is 3 and then X is 1, so it is 1. So the answer. Next one is a little bit hard. You need to draw the graph of the inverse. Remember, the inverse is just the reflection about what? About the x equals y curve. So it's reflection about this curve. Okay, so yes. So you need to mark here the reflection. So one of the points is here. You mark it, then 0, and then this one 5 becomes here, and then make sure they have an intersection point to do. So when you have marked this 3 point, when you sketch it, yeah, you might get it right. Okay, it's a little bit harder with my pen. Okay, so draw it. I think with pencil on a paper will be easy. Yeah, and you so clearly the thing. No, doesn't look like good. Okay, do it again. Yeah, remember use a pencil to do it. Okay, in exam. So you might like me. You can do it again. Sorry for my bad drawing. Okay, so then talk about the relationship between SL and HL, the paper 1. Okay, for SL and HL. Number 1 is unique. Okay, and then number 2 to number 6 correspond to for the HL number 1 to number 5. So I will copy the link here as the plain is okay for HL 1 to 5 as a 2 to 6. Okay, and then question 7 is unique. Question 8 is also unique. Question 9 comes as overlap with the question 10 of HL. So I will do 1, 7, and 8. Okay, the unique video for SL. Okay, I did one already and we did it well. Okay, so wait for my 7 and 8 sharing. See you guys. Bye.